earlier this morning it was stationary, so it has some movement to it. A burst of convection now happening within this storm, but you can see it's not really wrapping around the center here. Here's the center. We have the convection found in the eastern and southern portions of the system, meaning that it is fighting some wind shear. It has winds of 50 miles per hour with wind gusts of 65 miles per hour. So here's the latest track from the National Hurricane Center. So it's going to continue to move to the south-southeast and eventually curve to the southwest as we get closer to the weekend, making landfall along coastal Mexico, and it is going to bring tropical storm conditions to that country as we head into the weekend. And then while it's on land, it is going to weaken. And again, it's not a threat to our area. A new wave off the coast of Africa. It is disorganized. We have showers and thunderstorms really just all over the place. It has a 20% chance of tropical formation. Here's the development area hatched by the National Hurricane Center. Again, in the next 5 days, we'll watch it long term, but again, there are no threats or tropical threats to our area. Here at home, we had a cold front, or we're having a cold front right now moving through the area. We saw some showers and some storms develop ahead of it earlier this morning. We're not dealing with any rain. In fact, we're very dry, but still humid. Lots of clouds over the metro area. We have winds out of the north at 8 miles per hour. And there's a look at your temperatures. If you are heading out to lunch, upper 70s, but feeling like the lower 80s. So here's that cold front I was talking about. It is associated with plenty of clouds as we take a look at the visible satellite imagery here. What this cold front is going to bring, less humid conditions. So as it continues to pull through, we'll begin to feel the humidity drop across the area. And you can certainly see it here when we take a look at our dew point map here. You can see the dew points are in the upper 50s in Macomb. So that's that drier, less humid air slowly moving into the area. We're still pretty humid in a few spots, but that'll change as we go through the afternoon hours. And there's a quick check of your temperatures. Upper 70s in Covington and Hammond, lower 80s in Bogalusa and Slidell. We're 83 degrees in Belle Chase and Buras, and lower 80s in Galliano, Raceland, and Homa. So today, temperatures are expected to climb into the middle 80s this afternoon with lots of sunshine. It is going to be a nice day as we go through the afternoon hours. Even tonight looks nice, mostly clear skies with our temperatures falling into the 50s and 60s across the area. Local expert forecast looking good too, just warm, nearing 90 in Homa, Thibodaux, and also Picayune, remaining in the mid 80s in Slidell, Hammond, and LaPlace. So speaking of humidity, cold front moving through right now. We're not really going to feel the effects today, just a slight break in the humidity. Really feeling the effects tomorrow. The humidity climbs gradually as we head into the weekend, and another cold front is on the way, and it looks like that one is going to be a bit stronger than today's cold front. So jumping ahead to next week, as we take a look at the available moisture product here, that cold front moving through Monday, and ahead of that front, we'll see showers and storms, and it is going to be humid. When that front is out of the area, that's going to pull in not only cooler air, a drier air mass, and it is going to feel less humid. So it's going to feel fantastic as we head into next week. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast if you're now tuning in. Again, we saw some showers earlier this morning. We're dry right now. Temperatures climbing into the mid 80s. Tomorrow it is going to be pleasant. Lots of sunshine with our temperatures climbing into the lower 80s, whereas we're about to be for this time of the month. And then as we head into the weekend, there's a lot of activities happening outdoors. It is going to be a nice weekend ahead. Really no rain in the forecast on Saturday with temperatures in the mid 80s. A few spotty showers are possible Sunday evening, but look at Monday, 50% coverage for showers and storms. That's when that cold front is expected to move through the area. We'll see our temperatures climb into the lower 80s, and then after that, we're going from lower 80s to upper 60s Tuesday and Wednesday when that front has completely exited our area.